Hey everyone, it's Dr. Gupta at the Dermatology Laser and Vein Center, and let's talk about the under eye area because the skin is a bit thinner, and you sometimes start to see aging more around your eyes than other parts of the face. And also, we have the phenomenon of the bags that start to appear under the eyes, which are sometimes hereditary and can even occur at a younger age. But as one gets older, some of those structures around the eyes, the ligaments and such, the connective tissue gets a little weaker, and it allows for those fat pockets to just kind of bulge through a little bit more. So a few ways we have to rejuvenate the under eye area is one, by surgical treatment, so we can actually remove the fat pockets and even get rid of some of the excess skin if needed. Or we can do the procedure just with an incision from the outside without cutting away skin, and you still get a decent amount of tightening. We can also use laser resurfacing procedures that help to tighten and shrink the skin and make new collagen. And that is also very effective. And there are a few different ways we can do it. We can do it aggressively, less aggressively, or in a fractional manner, depending on what each patient needs. When we do it in a fractional manner, we call it the Madonna lift. And a lot of times these are combined. We may do surgery with some laser resurfacing to get the best outcome. We have other lasers. For example, if you have pigmentation under the eyes, then we have lasers to remove pigmentation. If the darkness under the eyes is being caused by larger blue veins, then we'll use a laser to get rid of those blue veins, or we may do a combination depending. You can have some very mild peels in that area as well that can be helpful. We can use PRP. We can use that in conjunction with something like microneedling or RF microneedling. RF microneedling, by the way, is another nice method to get rid of some of the bulging under the eyes, as well as tightening. And we also have another new procedure now called M-phase, where we have the little eye pads we can place under your eyes for completely non-invasive treatments, and it helps again with tightening the skin and getting rid of some of that bulging and the bags. And I was mentioning the PRP before, which we can use with the microneedling, RF microneedling, but we can also inject the PRP into the skin, kind of like a filler. So other than using fillers like hyaluronic acid, or sometimes we'll combine that with some Kaha, and we can even use Bellafill and Sculptra on the upper cheek area to give you a little more basically support for the under eye area, and that can also be extremely helpful. We can also place PDO threads under the skin. These are not the barbed ones, just smooth or coiled ones that help to build a little bit of volume and stimulate the collagen in a very nice natural way, especially if somebody is shy of fillers, then we might use something like PRP and threads instead. So these are just some options for the under eye area. Again, we just have so many different options, and we're so fortunate to be able to have these options to help you continue looking your best and aging your best. And of course, the sooner you start, the better. Start using some preventive things. Even some skincare products at home can be super helpful, and we can guide you along that whole journey. Thank you so much for watching. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think, and we would love to help you. Thank you.